Okay, we're here at Digital Life, and we're here at the Zipit booth. Now everyone's like, oh, what the hell is a Zipit? Now you guys on the show might have actually seen my Zipit, and this is the first generation. It's an ARM90 CPU, 16 megs of SD RAM, and it's actually open source. Are you guys familiar with that? Now, what is the new Zipit all about? And speak up because the microphone sucks.
All right. It's better improved version of this. It's got color. It's gonna have photos, SD card, and music. And that's pretty much everything it's got.
All right. The main question to me about the Zipit is, why should I buy a Zipit over a PDA or a Pocket PC or a Palm or a cell phone?
Well, all those should have monthly fees, right? This you pay once and that's it. You pay once, there's no monthly fees because it runs off Wi-Fi.
All right. Yeah, this runs off of Wi-Fi. Do you have improved connectivity? Is this like, because this old one has a black and white monochrome screen, it only does web, can't do WPA, a little flaky, so...
It's got WPA, web, everything.
Okay, now my original Zipit, I don't know if you guys are aware of this, the original Zipit was actually created as open source. The entire operating system was actually based off of already known Linux kernels, which run in Linux. My question is, as a tech person, should I care about this over my laptop? I mean, is there any way that the hacker scene can get their hands on this and do something that, like mine? Right now, mine's actually booting up a little Linux operating system. This isn't the default. And the Zipit Wireless made this so if you want a Zipit Messenger, you have a Zipit Messenger. If you want more than a Zipit Messenger, you can fiddle with it. Is Zipit still going to be able to do this? I mean, are we still going to be able to go, we're going to do something else?
Is it still going to be able to do what?
Or is the new Zipit?
They're going to be able to add features.
It's still the same Open Linux.
It's still based on all the old Open Linux? Do you have any information of like hardware specifications or anything like that in it?
Sure we do. You know, it's all available on the website. If you want to do that, you'll see a full list of specs, or I can give you a media kit that has the specs in it as well.
Okay, well, we'll link to the website because I've been keeping an eye on the new Zipit website. And you guys have been saying for the longest time there's something new coming.
Right.
And there's this old beefy one that it's fun to play with for Linux embedded and Linux development stuff. But because Zipit was actually, I feel that in the open community and the Linux community, you guys did a better job selling to the Linux hackers than you did to the little kids. Because these things are kind of clumsy to use, but they're great to play with. And please, let me play. Let me play.
The screen, huge difference.
Yeah, this one's actually running 320 by 240 monochrome screen. This appears to be full 32-bit color. Backlit keypad, definitely an improvement. It's a bit smaller, which is nice. It's got a sleeker finish.
And you can change the faceplates.
And apparently they have interchangeable faceplates. Actually, they're over there, but they're in use. Why are you staring at me?
Red, orange, etc.
And they also have interchangeable customizable plates. Now, the one thing I'm mainly concerned with is I've noticed that there's a data connector here, and it natively uses SD cards. And interesting. Got different skins. This is the new Zipit. It's going to be something interesting out of the box and possibly something new to hack. I'm keeping my eye on it. Well, anyway, thanks for your time, man.
No problem.
So my apologies for the lousy audio. It's really difficult getting a good audio of a showroom floor. I'll give a recap of what happened after the camera was off. The new Zipit 2 Instant Messenger by Zipit Wireless is actually going to be run off the 2.6 Linux kernel. That has been confirmed. Whether it's the 2.4 or the 2.2, the tech guy that I was talking to, he really didn't know yet. Now, there is a native SD card slot. I don't know how much memory it will address. However, Zipit Wireless did confirm that they will allow you to write your own programs in their own native, in C or either C or C++ as well, I think, as Perl, if I remember correctly. It'll let you write your own applications and scripts and load it directly from the Zipit. No more needing, there should be no need to modify the bootloader, replace the kernel or anything like that. You can either boot into the default Zipit Wireless application, or you can add your extended applications, which they should have more applications available for the future, or you can make your own. Now, it is still open source. They're still going to release as much information as possible for the Linux developer people to go and do what we like to do oh so much. The hardware specifications were not released to me. I don't know if the tech guy I was talking to, or the developer that I was talking to, either didn't know or he wasn't allowed to tell. The screen is greatly improved. The keyboard is greatly improved. CPU definitely is going to be better. I wouldn't be surprised if it was based off of ARM architecture yet again. Possibly this time with speed step technology, like an X-Scale of some sort. Out of the box, Zipit Instant Messenger will be able to do the typical 802.11b with WEP and WPA. I don't know if it can do anything above WPA. It has a much better screen. I believe it is 32-bit color. It is going to do all your common instant messengers, email, movies, music, and pictures, all of that stuff. I don't know what file formats they'll be supporting for the movies. All I can say is wait till the corporate people decide to release more information. I hope this sparked your interest in the new Zipit 2 Instant Messenger. I know for $150 I'm going to be waiting for the price to go down quite a bit, but once it actually starts going down in price, I think this is going to be a fun toy for the Linux embedded developers.